Hello guys, I'm back again with new Morissette Amon song. I don't know what the song name, but this is very popular. So first time I'm watching this video. This is true reaction. You guys have to see it. So watch. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Wow. Multiple people. Wow. Wow, she makes some awesome voices. It's obvious that she gonna do some good song, but I feel like this quarantine time you gonna have to make your whole energy come together to represent this kind of performance, because there is multiple people there, man.
Below the heart and struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, down like the world, break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come back.
Wow, so good to watch this kind of performance, man. She makes some awesome vocal and we have to love her for that. I am very fortunate that I am reacting to it, man.
Carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality,
Yes, with love you will find victory, because love is the most powerful energy in whole wide world. In this reality, we have to love each other, care for each other, then we can beat any kind of disease you have to face. Thank you.
sometimes I feel this part of it. I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, down like the road, break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. Pray you'll come and carry me home.
Wow, she's so sweet, man. I like this part, this ta-da-da-da-da-da.
I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up.
So sweet of you guys. I loved it, man. She's making some awesome kind of performance. We're gonna love her for that, and we have to appreciate her. This performance is so sweet, man. Whoa! Look at the high note. So much passionate, and it's high. The high note is so good, man. I have to love. I don't know what to say about the song because I loved it. Oh, perfect song, perfect performance, and everything is so perfect. The mix of the song, I don't know how they do it, but it's so hardworking and dedication put out in this song, and they just separately recording this kind of music, and it's mixed up very perfectly. I liked it.
I pray you come.
manipulating her vocal. It's really impressive. Wow. Wow, what a performance, guys. Very, very I don't know what to say. This is very, very much energetic and very happy and feel good kind of performance, and you feel joyful after that, and you gonna miss her for doing such a kind of thing, and you gonna love her for doing this kind of musical performance, and it's so hard to do, but she did it. She did make it real, and we guys love her. So guys, those who are watching this video for the first time, then please subscribe this channel, Indian Reaction, comment down below who is type of video you want to watch, hit the bell icon for notification. Bye bye, have a great day, and